Om Ganeshaya Namah. Valmiki Ramayana, Balkand, Sarga 28, Shloka 7. He taught him Yogendhara, Vinidra, and likewise Daita and Pramathana, Shuchibahu, Mahabahu, Nishkali, and Verucha, as well as Sarchimali, Dhritamali, Vittaman, and Ruchira. So, explaining what these words are, so Yugandhara it signifies a weapon that upholds the cosmic order. Vinidra it denotes a hyper aware missile that never loses focus. It's basically the word is sleepless, so it never loses focus and it can track nocturnal and stealthy adversaries. Daitya is named after the Daityas. It is a weapon that carries explicit counter force designed to subjugate and shatter the collective pride, power, and structural might of the Daityas and Danavas. And Pramathan meaning tormentor. It describes a fierce combat weapon meant to break enemy ranks, churn through hostile formations, and completely flatten opposing resistance. The next set is Shuchibahu, Mahabahu, Nishkali, and Virucha. Shuchibahu is pure arms. That means one with clean, sacred, and untainted hands. It signifies the power wielding Ram in battle is entirely righteous. Um, Mahabahu, it means a possessor of great physical and spiritual strength in the arms. Um, Nishkali it means whole, pure, unblemished, um, or absolute, representing the undifferentiated supreme essence. Virucha is radiant. It means brilliant like fire or sun. It is given to represent the blinding, destructive energy needed to pierce through the dense darkness of ignorance. And then Sachimali, Dhritaman, Rittaman, and Ruchir. Um, Sarchimali is it. These are weapons with scorching, fiery brilliance. Dhritamali uh, it represents unyielding firmness and psychological endurance. Vrittaman it embodies disciplined form, ethical adherence, and accurate movement. Ruchir is pure, untainted splendor and magnetic efficacy. Um, that ends Shloka 7, and then it's Shloka 8. Shloka 8. He taught him Pitri and Somanas, and the two called Vidut and Makar, as well as Paravir, Rati, Dhan, Dhanya, or Raghav. So, explaining, he taught him Pitri, Samanas, Vidut, and Makar. Pitra connected to ancestors, a divine weapon imbued with ancestral or lineage honoring protective energy to safeguard righteous continuity. Samanas is um, of good mind, so it's a weapon that induces mental clarity. Vidhuta is the shaker that it's a weapon that washes away um, or shakes off a powerful force capable of scattering or removing demonic army. Makar is a crocodile, which is the Makara, um, a fierce, unstoppable weapon symbolizing deep oceanic power and aquatic containment to overwhelm the enemy, as well as Parveer, Rati, Dhan, Dhanya, or Raghav. So, explaining those words, what's Parveer is it is surpassing or subduing um, hostile enemies. Rati, it's a technical arsenal context. It represents the precision and satisfying fulfillment of target destruction. Dhana is wealth, spiritual and tactical in science of Astra. It is the secured capital resource of power. And dhanya is the corn grain harvest. Metaphorically, it represents the tangible yield of fruitful results of any action, ensuring that the deployment of the missile yields a bountiful harvest of peace, order, and success. And that ends Shloka 8.